Good morning, second graders. Today is April 30th. It is Thursday, 2020. Make sure to keep up on those specials assignments the best that you can. If you can't get to them, no worries. Just try the best that you can to do. Today we do daily language review. We're going to do week 34. Whereas kids, you're going to read a book, listen, and take a quiz. You're going to do the shark writing, day 149 and math 180, and then you're going to solve for perimeter. Mistakes are proof you're trying. So remember, if you make a mistake, please correct it in a different color. Or if your parents ask you to correct one of your mistakes, it is okay. Okay? They're just trying to help you learn. So for Thursday, for week 34, you're going to correct the sentences. Find the missing words. Where do the apostrophes go? What does flock mean in the sentence? For RAS kids, you need to read the book, listen to the book, and take the quiz. If you don't do all three, it will not count. So you have to read, listen, and do the quiz. Writing or do your shark writing. It says write about what will happen if the shark catches the fish. Math 180, write the number word for 17. Solve the problems. Whoops. Draw the top view of the solid. Show 1 o'clock. Count the tally marks and name 2 solids that cannot be stacked. This is your perimeter paper. You're going to cut this out and glue it in your journal. Please glue the title in there as well. And then you're going to add all the sides and find the perimeter. Keep calm, carry on. I'm always thinking about you every day, wishing that I could see you guys.